Good afternoon and welcome to the Q&A session 11 from the playlist of IIT JEE Main Physics. The topic is how to find the distance between two objects in a different system of unit. So, in this question, the unit of length in a new system of unit is equal to alpha, and alpha is equal to the speed of light in vacuum. Now the distance between the Venus and Earth, if the light takes 6 minutes and 40 seconds to reach the Earth is, we have 4 options there and we have to find the correct option. Now in the SI system of unit, the unit of length is meter, but in this system of unit, the unit of length is alpha, and alpha is equal to the speed of light in vacuum. So here alpha will be, now the speed of light in vacuum is denoted by c. Now alpha, the dimension of alpha will be L. So here alpha will be equal to c into 1 second. So we have to find the distance between Venus and Earth. Now distance is will be equal to the speed of light multiplied by the time taken by the light to reach the Earth from the Venus, which is given to us as 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 6 minutes is equal to 360 seconds, and total time will be equal to, in seconds, this will be equal to 360 plus 40, so this is going to be, and this will be equal to 400 seconds. So the distance between the Earth and the Venus, this will be equal to c into 400 seconds. Now alpha is equal to c into 1 second, so I can write this as 400 multiplied by c into 1 second, so this will be equal to 400 alpha. So correct option here will be B. So in the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the chapter of units and measurement. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.